Welcome to the MOFPS at Your Service Expo. Today, we continue to showcase our commitment to service through the core divisions of the ministry, departments, and agencies.
Please continue to remember that the MOFPS at your service all the time. So do not sit with any concerns, grievances, or unresolved issues that you may need clarity on. The best thing to do is to ask those agencies to give you the information that you may need.
In my opinion, customer service is the process of adequately and efficiently serving your customers and, applying for their needs.
Customer service is constantly meeting the needs and expectation of your customers.
It's support a company gives their customer before and after providing a service or product.
Mergrove, the winning answer.
It is truly a pleasure to stand before you all today at this exciting event and at the buzz going on, reflecting the ministry's dedication to going above and beyond.
Student Loan Bureau, we have a loan for you. If you no call today, you are going in a problem.
I'm here at the Ministry of Finance and Public Services at Your Service Expo to basically showcase our offerings at the Student Loan Bureau. We have 3 loan types that we're offering to the public. That's the targeted loan, the pay-as-you-study loan, and the postgraduate loan. Now, those loans are very competitive, and if you want to pursue higher education, please come to the SLB.
What is the Revenue Appeals Division? Now, we are a division, an independent division of the Ministry of Finance with the responsibility to resolve disputes between taxpayers and the revenue commissioners. Now, those revenue commissioners would include Tax Administration Jamaica, Jamaica Customs Agency, and the National Land Agency.
What the FID is pushing are 2 things, right? The obvious message, crime does not pay, because FID is all about removing the benefit from crime.
Today I'm here with the Accountant General's Department. We're here to provide information in regards to what we do at the Accountant General's Department, as well as provide assistance to our pensioners who probably need their life certificate, as well as provide some more information in terms of our products that we offer the AGD.
The Planning Institute of Jamaica is the premier government agency responsible for planning and initiating programs and policies related to sustainable development. Our main publications are the Economic and Social Survey of Jamaica. Some of our key programs are Vision 2030, you all know about that, the Community Renewal Program, as well as the Poverty Reduction Program.
By embracing service excellence, we not only elevate our work, but also positively impact the people we touch.
It is through initiatives like these that we bridge the gap between the public sector and the people we serve, ensuring that everyone has the information and support they need to thrive.
One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and we will feel alright.